Prior to using Mincey, our bathrooms, showers, and tubs had your standard fiberglass tub and surround kit. And over time, those will stain, scratch, and become dull. So we wanted to try a different product and investigate what options were out there, and we learned of the Mincey product. It is extremely high quality. It is very durable. It will stand the test of time, and the installation process was very, very simple. And the end result is a product that both our customers are going to enjoy for years, and our staff will have ease of cleaning. The sheen on the Mincey product is long lasting, and the overall durability of the product is exceptional, and it was far superior when compared to all of the products that we viewed, and we looked at a lot of them. We looked at probably 6 other types of surrounds and shower bases. We have several other hotels that, as we undergo renovations at those properties, we will absolutely, without a doubt, use the Mincey product.